RoofPax has created the solution for your car's rooftop storage needs with their secure hooks. These hooks will arrive to you in a branded carrying case, and inside you'll find 6 double-coated stainless steel hooks. To apply these hooks, simply open your door and carefully pull back the weather stripping seal. With the seal pulled back, hold the loop up and place the hook on the metal door frame. Applying gentle force, pop the weather stripping seal back into place with your hand and close the door. Apply the same procedure to the other doors or as many doors as you need connections for. These hooks will allow you to safely anchor down not only rooftop cargo bags, but also kayaks, bikes, and more. Before ordering this product, please check that your door has weather stripping that can easily be pulled away. This Amazon exclusive product alleviates people who don't have a roof rack system from having to run ratchet straps through the interior of their car. This RoofPax product delivers peace of mind, safety, and quality, all backed by a lifetime warranty.